In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to BAMU University student account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is simply click on the search bar. Now type in this link. You can see the link over here, bamuaoa.digitaluniversity.ac. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of BAMU University. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for instructions. What you have to do is scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for existing registered students. So what you have to do is check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically confirming that you have the information regarding your registration. Click on this option, proceed, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You'll be able to see the informations regarding logging in over here. Make sure to check on this box. I have my 16-digit enrollment number /PRN. After you do that, click on this field, username or PRN. Now what you have to do is enter your username or PRN over here. Make sure to enter the correct information. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the proceed option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Your password is your date of birth. You'll have to enter it in the format of year, month and day. After you do that, you'll be able to log in to your account. So like this, you'll be able to log in. So that is how you log in BAMU University student account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.